Well, hello my fine gardening friends, how the devil are you? Welcome to Christmas Eve in beautiful Hubbards. It's a bit of a grey day and I'm out for a walk along the seafront here in beautiful Hubbards, accompanied by the lovely Mrs F. Where's she gone? Disappeared somewhere. Up there I believe, yep. The lovely Mrs F and the talented young Ethan. And yes, so I'm out for a walk. So obviously a bit of an update on my walking ability. Now we are approximately 9 weeks since my operation to have a hip replacement, and I'm mostly walking without my walking stick now. But I'm out for my longest walk of my recovery so far. This is going to be about 45 minutes and I'm hopefully doing it without my stick. I've got a bit of I have to concentrate on not limping. It's not hurting at the moment, but I have to sort of concentrate at the moment not to limp for some reason. Sort of catches now and then, but everything is going fantastically. So I thought I'd celebrate today on this Christmas Eve to go out for my longest walk so far, and then I can sit down when I get back in front of the nice warm fire. It's about 0 degrees, maybe 2 degrees now in the afternoon here in Hubbards. We've had some cold weather, but yep, I can go out for this nice walk, you know, sort of milestone walk, and then sit down in front of the nice fire getting ready for Christmas tomorrow, and lots of big eats and maybe some surprise presents. Anyway, that's me. Everything's going well. I'm doing some extra exercise. I've been to see the surgeon about a week or so ago. He's happy with my recovery, so on to bigger and better things. And I'm out in the garden now whenever it's possible. And this week I've got a week off. Hopefully the weather will permit for me to get out in the garden, start tidying up with the things that I haven't been able to do since, you know, obviously having my hip operated on. But I am now out for this walk and obviously admiring the beauty around me of my lovely little village of Hubbards in Nova Scotia. So there we go. Happy Christmas and or Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Maybe I'll do a video in between, but probably not. Hope you enjoy and definitely overindulge. Job's a good one.